Hello and welcome to another Summer Reading Club Tales and Tales craft event from Kingston Libraries, and today we're going to be making a whale. The kit that you get from the library should have these two pieces of paper, one with the whale and one with the water. Now you can make yours as colourful as you like. I started with this and then I changed it to that. So you decide what colours you want to make. You will need some pencils or some Textas, or maybe if you're really brave, some paint. And of course, something to cut it out with. Oh, and glue. Now I've started to cut out another whale. Make sure you save all the little bits. So as well as your whale, you are going to need to cut out a fin, and you are going to need to cut out his water spout. Just give me some time to cut this out. I hope you're better at cutting than I am. I'm left-handed, so it's a little bit tricky for me. Now, if you do decide that you are going to use paints to colour in your whale, make sure that it dries completely before you start cutting it out. Otherwise, you might tear the cardboard paper. Now, there is a tricky little bit I found when I did my first whale, and that's this bit. After you cut out the whale, you need to cut along the two lines, and I actually recommend cutting a little bit further. So go up to the edge and then a little bit more. That helps when you fold it together. Oh, and these little bits here, be very careful that you don't cut all the way through. So a little snip and a little snip inside. Okay, now the idea is that you fold it over and these two little grooves go together like that. Make sure the teeth are showing. And then he's ready. After that, you add the spout and his little fin. I drew on both sides of the fin so that you could see him from both sides. But you don't have to if you don't want to. You might want to make your whale all colourful. I decided I'd make mine white with spotty things and just coloured in the eyes. If you come into the library, you can show me how you've made your whale look. I'm looking forward to seeing you, and I hope that you borrow lots of books and videos and maybe play some of the games that are in the library. See you again. Bye.